So it's very rare that I come in front of a camera and talk, but something has happened that I feel like has sparked the creation of this video and has also been a thought of mine for many months now. The Texas Amber Alert that I filmed literally 2 videos before this one just got news about an hour ago that both the kid and the abductor are now dead and were killed by the abductor. So the abductor shot the kid. I say shot. I'm gonna spare you all the details, but he killed the kid, then killed himself. And here I am messing with these, trying to get the alert on all my radios, trying to go on FM and see who's relaying. And it really bothers me that I was messing with these and the mother was in terror because somebody took her kid. And the same goes with any other alert. Tornado warnings, flash flood warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings, you name it. People are getting hail shot through their roofs, and we're making it a game trying to catch every station we can relaying an alert. It's not until something like this happens before I really start thinking about it. So prayers go out to anybody who's been affected by this Amber Alert. Prayers go out to anybody that was affected by any Amber Alert, as well as people who have lost homes from severe weather, or had to have something repaired, or have had a family member killed by a tree falling through their wall. And I don't know, it's unsettling that they're dealing with that while I'm pissed about a radio not activating. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much, I think, all I have to say about that. It's not often I bring up controversial topics like this, but that's just my side of the whole thing.